But first, our correspondent Rachel Townsend has been to meet a farmer in Lancashire. He fears customers will have to pay more for his products.
They're devoured in homes across the country. Boiled, mashed, roasted or fried, the potato is one of our staple foods. And for over 15 years, Fylde Fresh and Fabulous near Preston has been growing and supplying them to homes and takeaways across the UK.
We are seeing challenges both with Brexit, the pandemic and the supply chain crisis that's sort of kicked off.
Their CEO is Simon Lever. He's juggling upheaval in many quarters. Supply chain issues mean packaging and machine parts can be hard to get hold of, but that's not all.
We're seeing huge inflation in costs of growing potatoes, especially for this next season coming. We're seeing the cost of seed and the availability of seed change. We're all wanting to keep our prices down as much as we can so that the customer doesn't feel the effect. But I am concerned that we will start to see some of these prices starting to affect consumers.
Post-Brexit, they've had labour shortages. They currently have a 10% vacancy rate. Previously, it was 0.
We are working really hard to address the concerns that our employees have. So we're looking really closely at work-life balance, and we need to make sure that we reward people for working unsociable hours.
Around 50% of the workforce are from outside the UK. Radek Blocek from the Czech Republic is one of them, taking on the job mid-pandemic.
In the beginning, people don't have much clue what's really going on here, but after some time, when you learn things of processing potatoes and how difficult it is, you are quite amazed.
Well, they grow around 800 acres of their own potatoes across the northwest, and right here they peel around 1,000 tonnes every week. But like farms across the country, it has been impossible for them to escape the disruption affecting the whole market. For now, though, the company is very much committed to the future with a biogas plant on site. Peelings are used to make methane, which help produce enough electricity to power the factory and homes in the local area.
The environment's really a big priority for us. It's not only the electricity that we generate, but the digestate that we produce from the tank also goes back on the land the next year to grow the next year's crops as fertiliser.
The ethos here is to waste nothing and to nurture produce from the field to the fork. They hope their commitment to sustainability will help ensure potato farming and production here in Lancashire can continue for generations to come. Rachel Townsend, ITV News, near Preston.